guys, Tammy here. I am doing a project share for a one-on-one swap that I'm doing with Anna Rodriguez. I will link her channel down below. So Anna asked me if I wanted to do an Advent calendar book. And I was like, okay, I've never made an Advent calendar, but I mean, I have made like a Valentine's calendar, but I haven't made like a Christmas Advent calendar. So anyway, I told her sure, and she gave me a link for a video, a tutorial to watch on how to make the book and the boxes. And I did mine a little bit differently than hers and than the video because I didn't I wanted to do 25 boxes, and I wanted to use this paper pad, and this is the Hot Buy paper pad at Michael's, and this one is Save Freeze. So it has like the most beautiful paper in it, and so when I saw it, I knew that that's what I wanted to do. So anyway, I'll link the tutorial for the box below, and if you're interested, but these are the labels that I used for the 1 through 25. So anyway, awesome. I got this at Michael's. The paper pads were on sale for like 75% off, so this was only $6, and I just loved it when I saw it. So anyway, this is my box that I made, and I used everything, the paper pad collection for everything. The only thing that was different was the glitter paper behind this Warmest Wishes. So anyway, and the box, I didn't tie it up before I showed this video, but anyway, I used two different colored seam bindings that I got from I always forget her shop name, but she's on Etsy, and I absolutely love her seam binding paper. And let me see if I can find her little. It is. I did have it. Oh yeah, it's BC Hands crinkled seam binding, and you can get it. I got this for like really cheap, not expensive at all, but it's already colored. And so I used the red and the green from that. And then I bought some flowers and this little snowflake ornament that had had everything already on it. And then I got these little deer heads at Walmart. And then this Christmas glittery red, I don't even know what to call that, sprigs, I guess. I got those at, I think, Dollar Tree. And believe it or not, it was during fall when I got those. So anyway, and then the side, I haven't finished the side. I am probably going to put something here. But I put some jingle bells. And this was actually on top of a pencil in the Walmart Christmas stocking stuffer section. So I got that, took that off the pencil, and then put it on a jump ring. I've got these big huge colored jump rings, so I chose a red one and poked a hole here and put that on there. And then I put little jingle bells on some green chain that I have in my from my jewelry making days, and attach those to each other and put that on this thing. I don't feel like I'm really done with that, but for now that's what I have. And then I'll be putting a label back here with my name on it, but that's the back of the book. So, and then here's the seam binding, so that's what it looks like from the side. And then you open it, and you can stand it up like this, which is really cool. I think you could put that like on a table and stand it up. So, but anyway, my boxes are different than in the video that I saw. So what I did was I made a box for each label to fit the label. And then I just randomly put them on both sides of inside of the book. So I don't think I have anything in one yet. So I'll be putting some handmade goodies and stuff like that in the boxes. But, you know, so each one is like that. And this was really, at first it was difficult to make the boxes, but then once I got my rhythm going and I figured it out, I figured out that if I cut the bottom box, then I cut the designer paper just like a 1/16 of an inch all the way around bigger, then it would just slide right on to the box. So I don't think I have anything in that one. And then because they're not the square ones like in the video, I had to randomly place them and leave enough room between some of the boxes so that, you know, you can still open them without too much of a headache. So super excited. And then so there's 1 through 25, and then these are all randomly placed. You know, so like 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5. So you kind of have to hunt for the numbers, but 6, I think that's fun. But anyway, so that is my project share. That's my Christmas Advent calendar. I've already put some stuff in some of the boxes, so I'm not going to open them because I can't remember which ones I put in. But I'll be finishing this up so I can get this sent out, and it's probably going to be like a couple days late, but I think Anna's is too, so it's all good. But I had a lot of fun making this, super excited. I think I want to make another one for me for Christmas. And anyway, so thanks for stopping by and checking out my video. And I hope you enjoyed this video and that you like this project share. If you do, please give my video a thumbs up. And if you would like to be subscribed, notified when I upload more videos, hit that subscribe button and then the little bell icon to the next to that. If you hit that, you'll be notified when I do upload more videos. So anyway, I hope everybody has a blessed and safe holiday weekend, and thanks for stopping by.